Hi everyone, I am Lily, the butterfly. Today I am going for morning walk. I want you all to come with me and enjoy learning something new. Are you ready? But before that, let me put on my shoes first. Should I wear the red shoes, the blue shoes, or the white shoes? The words red, blue, and white talk about the colors of my shoes. These words are adjectives. A word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun is called an adjective. So if we talk about the blue shoes, blue is an adjective, whereas shoes are noun. So here I am. I selected my white shoes to wear. Now I can't wait to start exploring the nature. Do you like to come with me and learn a few types of adjectives? Let's start. There are 8 types of adjectives: descriptive, quantitative, numeral, demonstrative, distributive, proper, interrogative, and possessive adjectives. What a lovely day it is! I can see beautiful and fresh flowers, some big and tall trees, and a shiny sun. An active boy is planting more plants. I love this colorful place. So can you retell a few adjectives, which I used with nouns here? These adjectives are lovely, beautiful, fresh, big, tall, shiny, active, and colorful. All these adjectives show qualities, so these are called adjectives of quality, or descriptive adjectives. A word used to describe or point out the quality of a person, place, or thing is called descriptive adjective, or an adjective of quality. And the sentence, "What a lovely day," is exclamatory adjective. The word, what, is sometimes used as an exclamatory adjective. For example, what a blessing, what a good idea. Would you like to explore more? Watch my next video for more types of adjectives.